Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. I am the creator of the Divi Dynamic Helper plugin. And in this video, we're going to be showing you the documentation on how to use the audio module and connect the audio module to a custom field so that any MP3 or URL of an audio file that you put into the custom field will always play in the Divi audio module. All right, let's take a look. So here I am on a demo site and I just have Divi installed, and I'm going to show you what it looks like to add an audio module. So if I add an audio module to my layout, and I can open up the audio toggle, and right here it says audio file. Notice that there's no option here to in any way link this with dynamic content to a custom field. I would have to say upload and then go, upload the file or choose it from my media library. But what if I want to have a custom field with this audio? So there's no way to do that, except if you install and activate our plugin, the Divi Dynamic Helper. Here I have it activated, and now I'm going to go to the back end of that page, and I actually have the custom fields that come with WordPress, built into WordPress enabled. If you want to know how to do that, you can check the other guides. But basically, I'm going to go ahead and write in here something like audio file or something like that. And then I actually have an MP3 URL that I'm going to paste here. And now I can go ahead and update my post. So now I've added an audio file into the custom field. Now we have our plugin enabled. So let's see what happens. So if I add that audio module again, then come in here, notice that we now have this wonderful dynamic content icon, right? So I could still upload the file, but why would you do that? That's boring. There's very limited. Now I click on this and we get custom fields. So right here is the one that I just set up, audio file. Click on that. In this box, you can just click the green check mark. Now the audio is connected. In fact, already we're getting that it's 27 seconds long. It's already displaying. That's a feature of our plugin as well. So we're going to save that and exit the builder here. All right, and so here it is. I'm going to play this. Now you can't hear this, but I do. But basically, it works perfectly. Any audio file URL that you put into the custom field will play automatically. This is great for podcasts and adding maybe audio to your blog posts. A great way that you don't have to open the Divi builder all the time. You can just use the custom fields. Now, the way I showed you was using the very basic built-in custom fields. You could also use a plugin. So I'll show you how to do that with advanced custom fields. I'm going to activate that plugin. So you could go here, create a custom field group. So I'll just go ahead and set that up. You would add the field here and give it a name. Give it just a name like audio. And then you could use the text field. If you're just pasting the URL from another source, text field would work fine. You could use the URL field. That would work fine because the MP3 file from another source would be a URL. You could also choose the file option. So file is really nice. You would want to use file only if you want the person adding the file to be able to click on the button and then upload it. Now, obviously with audio, you have to be careful, how big the audio is, if you're adding it to your WordPress database or not. So that's kind of something to consider. In fact, let me choose one of each. That'll be, how about I say file there? Yeah, we have file there, and then I'll add another one, and we'll say audio text, meaning the text field. We'll just go ahead and publish this. Now I'm going to go to the back end of my page, and here you can see I have the audio file as a file picker, so I could come in here, go to my media library or upload the file. Right here I could grab that file that I have there, and now it's added, or I could just, like I said before, similar to the built-in custom fields, paste it right there and update that. Now either method will work perfectly fine with our plugin and the audio module. So here I'm just gonna make sure that the correct file is connected. We had an audio file, right? And save that. And I'll just duplicate that. And choose the audio text. All right, and we'll get out of here. And you'll see that they both work perfectly. You can't hear it again, but I can. But anyway, the method is really up to you. It's nice that, you know, audio and video, they're pretty wide open. When we get to the gallery documentation, it's a little different, or even the map documentation. But basically that's it. We do have a full written guide about this over here on our website. In fact, right here's the video you're watching. We have the GIF showing you the quick steps, you know, setting up the custom fields, basically adding the module. It's very simple, but we believe in very clear and complete documentation, as you can see. Well, I really hope that you enjoy that and find it very useful and practical. It's a great way to, you know, for your clients or just to keep from going into the builder all the time. A really great feature, and we're very happy about this with our plugin. We would love to have a 5-star review with on the marketplace wherever you bought this, and spread the word because we're really excited about it. All right, we hope you enjoy using the Divi Dynamic Helper plugin.